So a law has to happen. That is what you call a beautiful British contribution, rule of law. I repeat the term, rule of law. A rule of law can happen only with the concept. A rule of law can only happen with the concept of what? How the law is. How the law is made. Whatever law is there, it has to implement as it is. So the job of a law enforcement is what? Law is there, you have to implement the same. Clear about it? This is what you call procedure established by law. Procedure established by law means whatever is a procedure in law, you have to accept it. Are we clear? Sometimes what happens, you are given a discretion, or judge is also given a discretion that interpret the law in the wider ambit. Not only within this law, something other human rights. I repeat, there are certain laws in the world, natural laws, human laws. These are some laws which are beyond the codification. If you also take them into consideration, you define, it is called due process of law. In India, we have both or only one. Yes, but what is mentioned in Constitution? Shabash, Article 21 you talk about, it is explained from procedure established by. From which country we borrowed it from? Shabash, very good, Japan. But the concept of due process of law, that we have to have a wide ambit of understanding the law functioning, so the welfare creation, this concept due process of law inspired from which country? Shabash, you have a good polity language, very good. Praise to your polity faculty.